There are several ways to join a Google Meet video conference. You can click the Google Meet link in a calendar invitation or an email notification in Gmail. You can also join directly from Calendar. Another option is to visit the Google Meet website at meet.google.com. Your scheduled Google Meet video conferences for the day appear on this page. Simply select the event name to join the meeting. You can also type the Google Meet link in the address bar of your browser or enter the code directly in meet.google.com. If you're away from your computer, you can still participate in Google Meet by dialing into the phone number for the meeting and entering the PIN. The phone number and PIN are displayed in the calendar event. Adding telephony details to a Google Meet is managed as an organizational policy. Dial-in information is only added if your organization has enabled telephony. You can also download the Google Meet app for your mobile device for free from the Google Play Store for Android and the Apple App Store for iPhone and iPad, which lets you create, join, and participate in Google Meet video conferences on the go.